Welcome back to Muscle Car, your go-to channel for the latest in powerful and high-performance vehicles. Today, we're talking about a game-changer in the pickup truck market, the 2025 Mack Pickup. Known for their dominance in the heavy-duty trucking industry, Mack has finally stepped into the consumer pickup segment, and they've done it with a bang. Starting with the engine options, the 2025 Mack Pickup offers serious power under the hood. The base model features a turbocharged 3.5L V6 engine, producing around 375 horsepower and 470 pound-feet of torque. If that's not enough, there's an optional 6.2L V8 pushing out 450 horsepower and 500 pound-feet of torque, built for those who demand even more muscle. Both engines are paired with a 10-speed automatic transmission, ensuring smooth and responsive performance. Whether you're towing heavy loads or cruising on the highway, this truck is built to handle it all. Speaking of towing, the Mack Pickup doesn't hold back. The V6 model offers a towing capacity of up to 8,500 pounds, while the V8 can haul an impressive 11,200 pounds. Payload capacity ranges between 1,800 and 2,200 pounds, making it a serious workhorse. Advanced towing features like trailer sway control, a trailer brake controller, and an integrated tow hitch make hauling safer and more efficient. Off-road enthusiasts will love the dedicated off-road trim, designed for those who like to push their trucks to the limit. This variant includes reinforced suspension, all-terrain tires, skid plates, and an electronic locking rear differential. With features like hill descent control and a 360-degree off-road camera system, navigating rough terrain becomes effortless. Whether it's mud, rocks, or snow, the Mack Pickup is ready for the challenge. Inside the cabin, Mack has combined rugged durability with modern comfort. The spacious interior accommodates up to 5 passengers, with premium materials such as leather upholstery, brushed aluminum accents, and soft touch surfaces. The driver and passenger seats are power adjustable, heated, and ventilated for maximum comfort. Rear passengers also enjoy generous legroom and reclining seats for long road trips. The centerpiece of the dashboard is a massive 14-inch touchscreen infotainment system, offering seamless connectivity with Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and Bluetooth. A premium audio system, wireless charging pad, and multiple USB-C ports ensure a tech-friendly experience. A fully digital 12-inch instrument cluster keeps the driver informed with real-time performance data. Safety is a priority, and the Mack Pickup is packed with advanced features. Standard safety tech includes adaptive cruise control, automatic emergency braking, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, and rear cross-traffic alert. Higher trims add a 360-degree camera system, a head-up display, and a semi-autonomous driving mode, making long highway drives safer and more convenient. The exterior design is bold and aggressive, featuring Mack's signature grille with the iconic bulldog emblem. LED headlights and daytime running lights provide a striking front-end look. The sculpted hood, muscular wheel arches, and high ground clearance add to its rugged appeal. The rear end features LED taillights, Mack branding, and an optional powered tailgate system. Fuel efficiency is competitive for its class, with the V6 model achieving around 20 mpg in the city and 26 mpg on the highway. The V8 offers approximately 16 mpg in the city and 22 mpg on the highway. A hybrid variant is rumored to be in development, which could improve efficiency while maintaining the truck's power. Pricing starts at approximately $45,000 for the base model, with higher trims reaching up to $75,000 when fully loaded. This positions it as a strong competitor against popular models like the Ford F-150, Chevrolet Silverado, and Ram 1500. The 2025 Mack Pickup is more than just a truck, it's a statement. With its powerful engine options, advanced technology, and rugged design, Mack has created a serious contender in the pickup market. Whether you need a reliable workhorse, an off-road adventurer, or a tech-filled daily driver, this truck delivers on all fronts. That's it for today's review. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to Muscle Car, and turn on notifications so you never miss an update. Let us know in the comments what you think about the 2025 Mack Pickup. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.